This video will show you how to configure HOBOware Pro to automatically read out data from a USB logger and save that data on your hard disk by simply connecting your USB cable. There are a few configuration setup steps that we have to follow in order to make this functionality operate for us. The first being we want to go up in the upper left-hand corner of the HOBOware Pro main screen, click on File, Preferences. Under General here, click on Readout Time Saving Options. We have several options to choose from. We can select to show the Save dialog box, meaning it allows you to place the data file where you wish, or you can select to automatically have HOBOware save the data file in a default location. When plotting, when you read data from a logger, the first thing it does is it asks you to save it. The second thing it does is it opens what's called a plot dialog window. So here you have the option of either showing that plot dialog, automatically plotting the data, or not plotting it at all. So you can just save the data file and go to the next logger. I think for this exercise we will select Do Not Plot. The other configuration parameter is there's a checkbox that says Ask to stop logging before reading out a running logger. If your logger is still logging data and there's still memory available, HOBOware by default will ask you, are you sure you want to stop, just in case you inadvertently went to read out a running logger that you want to record more data from. For this exercise, let's uncheck that. Okay, so we're going to show the Save dialog box. We're not going to plot the data, and we're not going to worry about stopping a logger that's already logging. Okay, click on OK. So the next step is we need to configure our default action. So we click on Device, Default Action, and under Default Action we want to select Read Out. Let's connect our first logger. And you will see it's automatically reading out the data. And it's asking us, where do we want to save it? By default, it saves it in a folder called HOBOware. That's good for our needs. We click on Save. Since we unchecked show the plot window, we don't want to show the plot window, that's as far as we go. Now if we disconnect this logger, we'll see down in the lower left-hand corner that the logger was disconnected. And now we'll connect our next logger. And you will see it appear. And again, it reads out the data. It gives us the ability to save it. We save the data, and we don't see the plot setup window. This will save you a lot of time if you're reading out multiple loggers of the same model number. For more information on setting up HOBOware Pro, you can go to Help, HOBOware Help, or go to our website, onsetcomp.com. Thank you.